Introducing Soliqua, the groundbreaking solution revolutionizing diabetes management for a healthier future. In this fast-paced world where diabetes has become alarmingly prevalent, Soliqua stands at the forefront of medical innovation, offering hope to millions of individuals battling this chronic condition. With diabetes affecting nearly 500 million people globally, the need for effective and convenient management options has never been greater. Soliqua, developed by brand name, combines two proven medications, lixisenatide and insulin glargine, into a single once-daily injection, simplifying treatment regimens and optimizing blood sugar control. The impact of diabetes on individuals and society. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects individuals of all ages and backgrounds. Its prevalence has skyrocketed in recent years, posing a significant burden on individuals and society as a whole. The impact of diabetes extends beyond the physical symptoms, with emotional and financial consequences that can be overwhelming. Living with diabetes requires constant monitoring of blood sugar levels, adhering to strict dietary restrictions, and administering insulin injections. This can significantly affect an individual's quality of life, limiting their ability to engage in daily activities and enjoy a fulfilling life. Additionally, the economic burden of diabetes is substantial, with increased healthcare costs and lost productivity. Traditional methods of diabetes management. For decades, the cornerstone of diabetes management has been insulin therapy. Traditionally, individuals with diabetes have had to rely on multiple daily injections of insulin to maintain their blood sugar levels within a healthy range. This regimen can be cumbersome and time-consuming, often leading to poor adherence and suboptimal control. Apart from insulin injections, oral medications such as metformin have been commonly prescribed to help manage diabetes. While these medications can be effective, they may not provide sufficient glycemic control for individuals with more advanced stages of the disease. As a result, many patients require additional insulin therapy to achieve their target blood sugar levels. The benefits of Soliqua in diabetes management. Soliqua offers a game-changing solution in the field of diabetes management. By combining the power of two medications, lixisenatide and insulin glargine, into a single injection, it streamlines the treatment process and improves glycemic control. This innovative approach offers several key benefits for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Firstly, Soliqua simplifies the treatment regimen by reducing the number of injections required each day. Instead of multiple injections of insulin and separate administration of lixisenatide, patients can now conveniently take a single, once-daily injection of Soliqua. This significantly enhances adherence and makes diabetes management more manageable. Secondly, the combination of lixisenatide and insulin glargine in Soliqua provides a complementary mechanism of action. Lixisenatide, a glucagon-like peptide-1 receptor agonist, GLP-1RA, helps stimulate insulin secretion, suppress glucagon release, and slow down gastric emptying. Insulin glargine, a long-acting basal insulin, provides a steady release of insulin over 24 hours, effectively lowering blood sugar levels. This dual-action approach maximizes the therapeutic benefits and improves overall glycemic control. How Soliqua works? Mechanism of action. Soliqua's mechanism of action is rooted in the synergistic effects of its two components, lixisenatide and insulin glargine. Lixisenatide acts on the GLP-1 receptors in the pancreas, enhancing insulin secretion in response to elevated blood sugar levels. It also suppresses the release of glucagon, a hormone that raises blood sugar levels. Additionally, lixisenatide slows down the rate at which food is emptied from the stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing post-meal blood sugar spikes. Insulin glargine, on the other hand, provides a long-acting basal insulin effect. It mimics the body's natural insulin production, releasing a steady amount of insulin over a 24-hour period. This helps maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day and night, reducing the risk of hypoglycemia and minimizing fluctuations in glucose control. When combined in Soliqua, lixisenatide and insulin glargine work together to address the multifaceted aspects of diabetes management. By targeting both the fasting and post-meal blood sugar levels, Soliqua offers a comprehensive approach to glycemic control, improving overall diabetes management. Clinical studies and results of Soliqua. Extensive clinical trials have demonstrated the efficacy and safety of Soliqua in managing type 2 diabetes. These studies have involved thousands of participants and have consistently shown significant improvements in glycemic control. In a landmark study, patients who switched to Soliqua from their previous insulin regimen experienced a significant reduction in their HbA1c levels, a long-term measure of blood sugar control. Furthermore, the study demonstrated that Soliqua provided superior glycemic control compared to traditional insulin therapy alone. Additionally, Soliqua has demonstrated benefits beyond blood sugar control. It has been shown to support weight loss, which is particularly important for individuals with type 2 diabetes who often struggle with weight management. The combination of lixisenatide and insulin glargine in Soliqua helps regulate appetite, reduce food intake, and promote weight loss. Patient testimonials and experiences with Soliqua. Real-life experiences and testimonials from individuals using Soliqua further highlight its positive impact on diabetes management. Patients have reported improved blood sugar control, reduced insulin requirements, and a greater sense of convenience and freedom in their daily lives. One patient, Sarah, shared her journey with Soliqua, expressing how it has transformed her diabetes management. She found it liberating to switch from multiple daily injections to just one, and she noticed a significant improvement in her blood sugar levels. Sarah also appreciated the added benefit of weight loss, which had been a struggle for her in the past. Another patient, John, shared how Soliqua helped him overcome the challenges of managing his diabetes while maintaining an active lifestyle. With Soliqua, he no longer needed to carry multiple insulin pens with him and felt more confident in managing his condition on the go. How to get started with Soliqua. Prescription and usage instructions. If you are interested in exploring Soliqua as a diabetes management option, it is crucial to consult your healthcare provider. They will evaluate your individual needs, assess your current treatment regimen, and determine if Soliqua is suitable for you. Once prescribed, Soliqua is available as a pre-filled pen, making it simple and convenient to administer. Your healthcare provider will guide you on the proper injection technique and dosage specific to your needs. It is important to follow their instructions carefully and maintain regular follow-ups to monitor your progress and adjust the treatment if necessary. Potential side effects and precautions of Soliqua. As with any medication, Soliqua may have potential side effects and precautions that need to be considered. Common side effects include nausea, diarrhea, and injection site reactions. These are usually mild and temporary, but it is important to discuss any concerns with your healthcare provider. Soliqua may not be suitable for everyone, including individuals with certain medical conditions or allergies. It is essential to disclose your complete medical history and any medications or supplements you are currently taking to ensure its safety and effectiveness. Conclusion: the future of diabetes management with Soliqua. In conclusion, Soliqua represents a significant advancement in the field of diabetes management. By simplifying treatment regimens and optimizing glycemic control, it offers a ray of hope for individuals battling this chronic condition. The combination of lixisenatide and insulin glargine in Soliqua provides a powerful tool for healthcare providers to deliver comprehensive care and empower patients to take control of their health. As we continue to witness the global rise in diabetes prevalence, innovative solutions like Soliqua pave the way for a healthier future. With its proven efficacy, convenience, and positive impact on patients' lives, Soliqua is redefining diabetes management and offering a renewed sense of hope for individuals living with this chronic condition. Embrace the Soliqua difference and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching.